Introduction of management account. Firstly, meaning of the management account. Management accounting is the presentation of accounting information in such a way as to assist management in the creation of policy and in the day-to-day operation of undertaking. The function of management are planning, organizing, direction, and controlling operations. Business can be done in orderly manner. Again, second meaning of the management account. Management accounting is concerned with accounting information which is useful to management. Again, scope of management account. Firstly, financial account. Financial account essential of any discussion of management account, data for interpretation and analysis of mainly financial account. Cost account. Second scope of the management account is cost account. Cost account is the backbone of management account. Provide the analytical tool such as budgetary control, standard costing, marginal costing, inventory control, operating costing, which are used by to discharge to responsibilities efficiently. Again, third scope of the management account, financial statement analysis. Frequently, the various users of financial statement may need access to information that can be obtained only by selecting individual numbers from the statement and by developing certain trends and ratios. Fourth scope of management account, budgeting. Budgeting is the heart of management account. Operational control is exercised through the budget in advance for every major activity of the business. Again, fifth number scope, management reporting. Clear, informative, timely reports are essential for management tools in reaching decisions that make the best use of company resource. 6. Quantitative techniques. Quantitative techniques analysis method allow manage to develop information from their financial database. Again, scope, tax accounting. Taxation plays an important role in the profitability of commercial concern. Again, internal audit. The internal audit as a discipline of management account makes arrangements for performance appraisal of the company's various departments. These are the scope of the management account. Third point, tools and techniques of management account. Firstly, tools use the management account. Financial planning and organization can achieve long-term as well as short-term financial objectives by employing financial planning. Again, second tool use the management account. Analysis of financial statement, comparative financial statement, common size statement, ratio analysis and fund flow statement is a growing and ever changing set of system. Third tools of the management account, cost accounting, vital part of the management account. Cost accounting is a vital part of the total of management accounting system. It includes the recording, classifying, analyzing of all cost aspects of the company performance. Again, fourth tool of the management accounting, standard costing. Standard costing are used to control the major activities of business. Standard costs are predetermined targets against which actual results are evaluated. And fifth, tools of the management account, marginal costing. It is a technique that considered only variable cost in the additional output decisions. 6. Tools of the management account, budgetary control. It is a system of business control. The uses budgets to control the major activities of business. And 7. Tools of the management account, fund flow analysis. Highlight the causes of changes in the financial condition of business enterprises between two dates. It helps management account in difference planning and control of cash. 8. Tools of the management account, cash flow analysis. It helps the business entities liquidity planning. It tells the management about the sources and application of cash. Again, advantages of management account. Advantages of management accounts like planning, controlling, coordinating, organizing, motivating and communicating. These are the advantages of management account. And limitations of management accounts like limitations of a basic record, not executed not executed automatically, and wide scope, top heavy structure, evaluationary stage. This is the limitations of management account. Again, last point of this chapter, differences between financial accounting and management accounting. Firstly, financial account and management account. Firstly, difference between the objectives. Financial account assess the business result and financial position, but management account main objective of facilitate to managerial decision. This is the objective of financial account and management accounting difference. Second difference, like nature of financial account related to financial or monetary terms, and management accounting nature is a management account related to monetary and non-monetary data. Thirdly, differences between the financial account and management account. Publication is compulsory for every company to publish final account, but management accounting reports and statement is not mandatory. Means financial account compulsory for every company to publish final account, but management account reports and statement is not a mandatory. And lastly, difference of the financial account and management account, frequency reports. Financial accounts period is a 12 month, but reporting frequency of the management account is much high as compared to reporting of financial account. This is the difference between the financial account and management account. Thanks.